We got an S13 here. It's got all customized alignment, special camber adjustment, caster adjustment, front and rear, the toe. If you got something this low, you got special arms, special adjustments. Everything can be done here, no problem. If you can drive it, we can do it. This guy wants the perfect alignment. He brought it here, we're gonna dial it in, and then it's gonna drive really nice.
Now this right here is a fully built 240sx S13. It has incredible power, 517 wheel horsepower. It was dynoed, fully built, suspension's all custom, and we're getting it dialed in right now.
The 2003 M3. It's getting a whole four-wheel alignment. It's got the special camber plates up front and extra toe adjustment. Once we dial this in, then we'll get it on the road for a test drive.
For the most part, this one is pretty much stock. We got wheels, custom suspension, and some carbon fiber accessories. We also have an AV intake, and honestly, this car's pretty fun. It doesn't need much to be fast. It's already great from the factory. So we're wrapping it up right now. Looking good.
How you guys doing? This is the 97 Jeep Wrangler, the 4.0 inline 6. These Jeeps were made for off-road. We got a guy right here who brought in the Jeep for an alignment. We got it all dialed in. You can see the Jeeps, the best to run is 37s. Falcon makes a nice mud train tire. It really does work off-road, and it's pretty quiet for a mud train on-road. Running 37, 12.5, 17s on this beadlock wheels.